Right, I don't look super sure.
Oh, shit.
No, you're good, man. No, man. Why pre, why shop, walk on? It's your boy Singh, Zima back with another banger video, and today we're here with one of the trips, Mark.
Oh, Wall Street.
Yeah. Touch. Yeah, y'all know all of them already. You've seen all of them on the channel before, but you haven't seen all of them together. But today we're going to be reacting to your confession.
Me and Singh did fall out, isn't it?
It's a drama. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I stole my mom's car to go to a party. I'm just 16.
That sound regular still like
To you!
the amount of people. But I hear so them just thief them parents' car and just like go and go their business.
16.
16?
Yeah, bro.
Taj, we're not. Taj.
Touch. How about you never done that?
You know, I haven't done it, but I know people that have done it. And
That's exactly what
it's
I'm
end
saying.
up like in a worse situation, you know, no joke, like police and all that thing get involved, you know, but I would never do that knowing my
Fuck.
people.
Me not gonna
Me not gonna do it. Me not gonna do it. I just know people that have done it.
Yeah.
When I teeth my virgin care that, but when I teeth
I don't know about that.
if I live with somebody, I don't know how them going to survive because I'm a YouTuber that
That-
every
that wicked, bro. That would be a wicked
every
prank.
day.
Just don't know when you're gonna get pranked by Singh.
I had sex in my parents' bedroom more than once.
That's
Alright,
disrespectful.
that's just
That's
out
disrespectful,
of
bro.
bounds.
I mean, the fact that you're already in their house, you move into the bed,
The bed?
room, bro,
That's kind of.
and then they sleep
No.
right there. That you're
On the
wicked.
same sheets.
It better not be the same sheet.
Better not be.
Change. Or I was cleaning up the
Ends
house. I completely missed. Another person. I've had sex twice in my parents' bed. When I
No,
was
go
17.
on to one, bro.
Yeah,
This is when they were 17.
Y'all believe in
Yeah, I
some
want to
life,
know
bro.
that.
Y'all
Like, we don't have a bed. We don't have a bed.
They have a video, like,
I'm sure they have a bed.
I'm
to sleep.
sure
I
you
guess
guys
they get
have
like
a bed.
excited, you know, it's a thrill. I'm in my parents'
So your
room.
parents go come catch you?
No, that's crazy. I would not do that, you
Nah,
know.
that's-
I want to live and see you next day, you know. You get me?
Alright, I think about kidnapping this man because he mad me with the eggplant emoji and expect me not to be attached.
Alright, that's not safe.
I mean, one thing I can say,
That's jail
at
time.
least he's doing something right. You get me? You would do something right. I mean,
Is it like a you situation?
Who?
You.
Me?
Isn't that movie
You.
called You?
Right. Yeah. No, cause them man they creepy dog and they never yet get the
Oh yeah.
until
facts.
way after. You see me?
Facts actually.
So this is just them just want to kidnap the man.
Suppose
Oh, you're talking
suppose
Netflix show.
the one you lost.
Just
How about the one where like you lost baby girl?
That's more like it. That's more like
Yeah.
it. That's more like
Oh,
it.
yeah.
365.
Yeah, 365. It's just
Just 365. I mean no.
Every day, I get up and pray to love myself, but it seems like it isn't working because the more and more I see myself, I break down. Even my mom tears me down about my body and I'm fat, shape bad, etc. I give up. First of all, this is serious, but do not give up.
never give up.
It's like right on my alley, bro.
Never give up.
Regular people come to me with them type of thing here, but in my take on it, people words don't define you, bro. Like you have to look into yourself, decide what you want, decide what you like, and stop using social media to judge yourself.
Determined.
We are all our different persons. You understand? So whether your mother is asked about it, I'm not trying to disrespect your mother, you know, but that's not she's not being a proper mother when she does that.
That's
right?
true.
She's only lowering your self-esteem, which is already lowered by whatever external factors that you faced. Right? But I can tell you, don't listen to them. You keep waking up and keep trying to love yourself, because guess what? I'm a spiritual person and God, you know, He made each of us in His own image.
Right.
Right? So I don't look like Singh. Sing one ugly, I sing business that, you know. But
I'm
Sing
cute,
now,
man.
Sing
I'm
himself
cute.
saying ugly. So my advice is just don't believe that, bro. Just keep doing your thing. Don't
And
give up on yourself.
it's good that the person is like waking up every day and trying
Yeah,
to,
like
you know,
keep trying.
Yeah,
At least you're
like,
making
I
an
mean,
effort.
One
Yeah.
advice that I can possibly give him, because I've been in a similar
him or her, we don't
situation.
know the
Him or her.
Don't
Yeah, him or her. I've been in a similar situation, not with the whole mother or whatever, but one advice is to just really lock yourself from social media. Find your passion and what you truly love. Go for it. If you feel say overweight is something that can be changed, you can find one way. Like go in your room, do some push-ups
Start
or whatever,
workout,
just start
really.
workout. It can be fixed.
The change that you're making should not be based on other people's opinion.
Facts.
You have to
Right?
make a personal
It
decision.
should be
Fuck.
your choice. Like you like this, you're gonna do that.
Fuck.
Don't be say Mary did tell me say I this need for
Right.
Africa.
That's why it's focus
you know,
on your
don't-
passion.
Don't
Focus on yourself. I think it's also good to block out negative energy, even though it may be difficult if it's your mother, dog. You
Yes,
know what I mean?
it's
True.
because
Like
it's
if you're at home,
if somebody is
That's all
supposed
it
to trust,
is.
you know,
Very difficult.
it makes it harder because that's
Trust
somebody
me,
is supposed to
understand
trust.
it's difficult, but
it's rough.
Not all parents actually know how to parent.
That's true.
Yes, you see it a lot.
Right, but the comparativeness is not needed.
It's not necessary.
It's never gonna work out for you that way.
The thing is, you're your own person. You know what I'm saying? And you should embrace who you are, and you should appreciate who you are. And if there's something that you'd like to improve on, don't beat yourself up about it because you're not there yet.
Yeah,
You know what
one
I'm
thing I
saying?
can tell you, you see, as long as you keep looking outside yourself to try and be someone else because of what others say, you'll never stop
Never.
being the same.
just be you. Simple.
I'm sorry that you're in that situation though, because again,
Yeah.
the mother thing
It's
kind
kind of hard
of
Yeah,
hard.
that make it rough as still.
Kind of hard.
because that's kind of supposed to be like your first love.
Yeah, like
It's kind of difficult.
yeah, it's
It's like the
difficult.
parents be more supportive than that.
But we're here.
There's
You see me? We are taking you in. We love you for who you are. I know it's anonymous, but it doesn't matter. From somebody sending a response, I know that they're in tune with me, my story. I know we do here on the Zima channel. Positive vibes, positive energy only. So it's all love from me. Outside. I'm 13 years old.
Pause.
I'm 13 years old, and I have a crush on you. Right, this is me. But I love Gypsy, and I'm one of her pixies, so I'm gonna leave the crush thing right there. So, first of all, you're beyond too young. Easy me. So just
Fuck it, that's
jump.
Fuck it, that's
Yeah, I'm gonna forever.
It
Yeah,
can't.
yeah.
I mean, much love and appreciation, and I'm glad that you respect Gypsy.
Man Police Station.
What? What?
That's the case.
When did
Fire
kids
is the respect
start
of
being
that.
so forward?
Alright, but prenup.
Like young kids, bro, it's crazy. Like I have to take my business number off social media because like you have young kids
Calling.
that not calling you, start WhatsApping, sending.
Yeah, walk behind.
And I was just like how old are you, bro? Like this. Why are you doing this? Go watch 3D
Or something.
Yes, it's a game, dog.
Where are your parents?
I remember vividly when I was going to pick up my sister from school, and my sister is 8, you see me? Me go over there, me pick her up, all of a sudden me get her random bloop on my phone, this girl come text me, hey. I was like, oh yeah, oh, I'm not talk. I was like, oh, wait, oh, I'm 9. I was like, oh, God. You see me? I was like,
You trying to catch it?
Hey. So I asked my sister, yo, who has my number? She's like, oh, I gave him your number because she thought you were cute. I'm like, yo.
That's not
That's
okay.
That's it.
I like to be berated during sex, which is like scolding and cuss off. And
Well, to
each their own.
To each their own. I'm not going to judge it.
That's what
Really.
gets you going, bro.
It's whatever you like to be.
That's what gets you
That's
going.
your thing.
One thing I'm spitting in your face.
Yes, man.
I mean, damn, that even that
Is
that-
it maybe? Don't
That's what keeps you going.
Yo,
I mean, everybody likes him.
Yeah, man.
Everybody has their thing.
Yeah.
That's your thing.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm
The only thing
saying?
like a part
I
of-
don't have a thing because I'm a virgin, obviously.
Yeah.
But I mean, if being beaten are your thing, you know, mama, you see me?
Yeah. Yeah.
As long as it's just sex, though, like stick to sex. If it's
Yeah.
outside of that, then you got a problem.
Personally, I'm
If
going to wait
it's-
till marriage, you see me? But, see? Yeah, bro. Damn.
About my fish with cooking oil.
You got some strange viewers. I can't say that.
Cooking oil, cause like vegetable oil, brother.
I will make them like Grace. No, me ask him, can I look at promotion or something?
You know, I wanted to myself what got him
To get that. Your lotion, your lotion have done. Your soap have done. Your body wash have done. Your baby oil have done.
Your shampoo have
Your shampoo have done. Your conditioner have
Like
done.
you passed a whole list.
Brother, all your water have done, man.
Like before you reach in the kitchen, fam.
So far.
Like how horny do you have to be to say, yo,
Well-
we're in the kitchen, you see me? Oh.
Nah, I think it was a premeditated thing.
Man's like experimenting still.
cooking oil.
No, you do have people out there with curious minds, you know.
That's true.
Very curious.
That's very curious.
He might be that person.
I cheated on my boyfriend when I went to my grandmother's funeral in Jamaica.
Wow. This guy on the street. You know, men are trash, but ladies, what are you?
Woman wicked, but
I don't know.
man wicked, but woman wicked up.
The funeral thing supposed to make you be a sympathy or something.
Where?
Ah, pre. I think
That's
that,
another issue too, you know.
I think it's
Yeah,
like,
that's-
I think it's like she probably live in the States and her boyfriend in the States and she fall down for a funeral and she
And then like the next
she
day,
find a youth and
Oh, maybe.
I guess the two of them did depressed.
Yeah, but
How
you
is
know.
it?
I mean,
don't know,
you
like-
know you're a man and you're a relationship still, you know, so.
Some girl out there just loves you, boy.
No, that wicked still.
If we're talking about respect now, if we're talking about respect and trust, you just broke that. But going to your funeral don't make it
Yeah.
the right thing.
Okay.
That's it. That's what I'm saying. Go to your grandmother's funeral. I'm sorry for your loss, but it doesn't make it the right thing.
Right thing.
Wicked, she wicked. Period. There is no if but or maybe about it.
You're there, your grandmother funeral.
Well, I don't think it was that.
No, but you come there, you know, you went there.
For the
the-
purpose
for
of
the
going to
purpose.
her
Oh, your
funeral.
mind reached.
So far.
You know,
So
your
far.
mind reached.
I mean,
I thought you
she
would
good.
leave.
I mean, just like the youth got job for the cooking, and she just grabbed
She's
camera.
a very curious. We're not gonna use that and justify it.
I caught my youngest sibling in the act of losing their virginity. If it's a guy, I joke. Let's not.
Like here and there.
It depends on the age.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
It depends on the age. If I caught my brother, would have probably be like, yo, how did he get to this stage? 'Cause
Yeah,
he's like 8 or 9. isn't he?
Yeah.
Luckily, I'm the youngest in my family, so.
Right.
Yeah, you get you, bro.
I don't know. This is very vague. If you said the age, maybe I could have.
Yeah.
If he's 16 and older,
Yeah, man. Congratulations.
congrats.
Congrats. Same here,
If he's
whatever.
under 16, I think you should have a conversation with him.
Yeah, just,
You know how it goes, you
just
know.
teach him the birds and bees before.
I feel like when they say they call
whatever.
their younger sibling, I guess they're trying to, you know, wonder how to feel about that.
Suppose them lose their virginity. How you would feel if your little sibling lose their virginity?
I have a little sibling in I wouldn't question that.
Jano.
Alright, this is
Jano.
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 I would be killing.
I strike
I would
before
be
you, bro.
murdering that little child because I feel my sister is
That's
so
true,
innocent.
Oh, you
Fuck.
have a little sister.
Yeah.
It's just...
See how you are
So-
your little brother.
Strike! Strike!
And you're not saying
What? This person wants to have sex with their digital media teacher.
No regular thing that. Well, them teacher, them same teacher. Trying to remember, oh no, you never go Jano. JC, you have this teacher named XYZ. Me, my body is just big. It's just big.
Bro,
makes you lose our
yo, just big. Bro. But if shoot the shot. You see me? You never
The world, it too, life too short. Just shoot
Yeah,
him,
man.
shoot him.
shoot
You
the
miss
shot.
100% of
Look on the 13-year-old shoot him shot and sing.
Stop.
disclaimer.
No, it never worked. It never worked.
I don't know if I'm weird or whatever, but it's so hard for me to like someone and stay liking them for long, and because of this, I feel like I won't ever find love. It's like I may like a youth, and then the youth like me, and as soon as we start talking, or as soon as he starts giving me attention, I get annoyed of him being in my space. Then from the other day, I feel bad. Sometimes I legit sit down and make all the youth them and do this stuff, and I just feel like trash. Cause But now they say it. But I mean,
She probably just need to love herself.
I would say it just goes back to you not knowing what you actually want.
Yeah, she
Don't
don't know
know
what she
what
wants. She have to actually know she
Don't
wants
trick
herself
yourself into
first.
what you want.
Before you can love anybody else, you have to love
love
yourself.
yourself.
You think you know what you want, but you don't know what
You
you
don't
want.
know. So she just out there shooting, and when she
Yeah,
finds
you
out
don't
something
really know what you want.
Yeah.
a part of it is the challenge, because there's no longer a challenge. The curse kind of died down.
Yeah.
You get me? But that also stems from, as you say, like, she just don't know what she wants. So she just shooting.
I feel like she's somebody that just thrill off excitement. You get me?
And then as soon as
So it's
that
just
And
like,
then as
hey,
soon
you know,
as the
this guy,
excitement dies down,
this guy
you just-
liking me or whatever, you know, yeah, I feel that. But as soon as you get me, you want to just like,
Yeah.
you get me?
Yeah.
No,
Excited
nothing
for
is
you.
wrong with that still. I'm pretty sure this is a younger person, and even if you're older, like, you only live once and you're not obligated to anybody, you're not obligated to feel anybody towards anybody
The
either.
person says they want to find love, it seems like. My advice, anybody you think you want to go that far with, make sure you spend enough time doing your background work and
Get to
knowing
know
each
them.
other, because it don't make sense you reach that
A
far.
big misconception, it's okay to date more than one people. Like when
Right.
you're in the dating stage, it's okay to get to know, because dating is really getting to know somebody.
Yeah.
You see me?
However, you
Spend
can't.
time on the ground.
I
Right.
feel like if you're dating someone, it can't be sexual.
No. Intimacy is once you reach there, so
alright, then
You see me?
good. I am still waiting on marriage.
No, healthy practices, that's what I'm talking about.
Right,
Don't
right,
get
right,
confused.
right.
Yeah.
Also, if you really want to find love, then I think you should give some of the guys that you like push to the side a chance to try and get to know them, because maybe initially you might something might turn you off, but you still don't know. Maybe the deeper connection that you develop with them.
True. It sounds like this person is in a rush. I don't know.
Yeah, don't rush
In
nothing, man.
a
Just take
rush
your time.
to feel something. Just take it.
Right now, that she drive a Porsche, bro. She needs to go back in the bed.
Yeah,
So you
Hey.
you see me? Hey, you alright? Slow down. Give them one a chance, man.
Yeah. You know, we have to
Try to figure out what you want and
Give them a chance. Stop.
chance, man.
Give them a chance.
Give you that chance.
Give him a chance. Yeah, you know who you're thinking about right now too. We know something about that youth there, and you stop message him back.
And that's why she tried to message her.
I'm a 20-year-old virgin. Same.
See? Well, 22.
Yeah,
So,
Yeah, man.
nothing around.
definitely.
Nothing wrong with that. I don't.
Yeah.
Nothing is like being a virgin at 20. There's absolutely nothing wrong.
So
with
wait, that was the confession.
Nothing
That's
at all.
Yeah, the confession is just out there. There's nothing wrong with that.
We've been confessing that this entire video.
I've been saying like.
Come on,
And
there's
you're
nothing-
20. Wait,
There's
I'm
absolutely
22.
nothing wrong with that. Don't let
Absolutely.
nobody force you.
Or feel judged or-
Don't make society make you feel like you have
You see, we're going back to the Porsche and the slow down.
Slow down.
Slow down.
Everybody does things at their own pace. And I
Because a lot
think,
of people I know
yeah,
end up, losing that, and then
Regretting.
it's like,
And
it's
regretting
coming
it.
off as a regret. You don't want to be that person.
yeah. Don't regret. Just take your time. When the right person come along, they'll come along. Don't force it. Don't try go out of your way.
Peer pressure, me.
Peer pressure,
Don't follow
Don't
them.
follow it.
Yeah.
Let me tell
Don't
I'm
follow
shocked.
them.
Yes, but
You're going to do it though.
But that was
You're going to do it though.
that would be his decision, because we not going to shoot it for him, right?
A couple of years ago, I took my ex-friend man. Well, we weren't even friends to begin with.
pause. Stop. Pause.
Hold on, I have to
Start.
get that clear.
Yeah, get it clear.
Because we
Take
talking
your
about
ex.
No.
Friend.
A couple of years ago,
Mhm.
I took my ex-friend's man.
Oh, so this person
Oh, so
used
she's
to be
no
her
longer
friend.
a friend.
Yeah,
Of
man,
course.
man, no.
Right.
Okay.
Well, we weren't even friends to begin with.
Okay, cool.
Anyways, she in her feelings from the guy. Oh, she's in her feelings from the guy and the girl, which is the girl who made confession, got together. But he and I broke up in 2018 or 2019. No, he and the girl got back together, and she's trying to use this hype to get hype on me, I guess. Yeah.
To get back at her.
I want back a love triangle, sir.
Yeah. Just.
But if you guys were friends, you don't owe her anything.
You know, or an explanation. She
Yeah,
don't owe
don't.
you an
You really
explanation.
don't. Then, to be honest, this is one time when I say man to take responsibility. In this case, I go from him
Yeah.
So
It's not the girl.
you know what the girl does.
Right now, the man just cruising around.
Yeah.
He's
The man
just
cruising
wandering
around.
on the road.
If the person have a problem, the man should protect that.
Facts.
True.
No.
And the facts is
Let's be
taking back
honest.
the facts is taking back kind of.
I don't know what is that they have going on, but it happened.
That's very toxic.
But
though.
as
For
far as
all-
I
for
can
all
see,
the guys.
you don't owe the person anything. If you say you guys weren't friends to begin with, you understand?
Or maybe they're like acquainted, and then.
If you guys were like close friends or you know,
Don't matter.
I don't think it really matters.
Alright, Pre, let's say we pals, and let's say somebody that you usually part and them around me sometimes or whatever. Suppose me take them girl, you would pre me as in virgin, because you're his virgin and I, but it's not my virgin. But I know, say, you see me?
I mean,
Yo, Tommy, sleep better than do you need to do, you know?
nothing would have pre for
Because
that.
you can't pre, yo.
Because remember said,
If-
you're a virgin per se, right?
Yeah, but.
So you don't really owe the youth nothing when you do that. But if me and my opinion would have say, yo, if me I say, it depends on how I feel about the person and how their relationship was. You understand? Me, if me that have something to say to you, if I feel the need that I would have to say something to you, then obviously it means that something
Was
much more.
right,
than-
right.
Then, but if they want dip, then just dip, it no matter.
No, me not telling enough of dip, you know, me not telling my opinion, what me think. Me not telling
Yeah,
enough
but
of dip or what, you know.
My point is, if somebody want dip, them just dip.
No,
You
me
can
not-
convince them whether to
me
stay
not
or not.
convinced.
Just dip.
Me not convinced, you know, me would have just tell you, say, you know, say, them two there, my virgin did stay so with them, you know, if you still want to, you know, that is.
Yeah.
Oh, that's yeah, no, like that. Sure, go on.
Just like, you know, make you know.
You just give them the no.
So if my virgin would have say, yo, oh, you do that and you make your virgin do that, me I say, yo, but me
I know.
didn't say. Tell me can't do nothing else, you see me? Me
Don't
say,
that thing.
I make them know, say, yo, that did that one. If somebody decide to do that. And the girl, as we say in the case, the opposite person is never the person to blame, right?
Right.
It's the person in between, the link between the two persons.
Whoa.
During sex, I like when my girl puts her finger in my butt. This is a guy.
Alright.
Yo. Yeah, Batty man. Yo.
I do not want to know.
I do not want to know what happens in the bedroom, but Jano style.
Alright, but-
I take that back by there. Just
Here's my thing. See, here's my thing, right? How the girl will get to do that, or what's the conversation? Like, is it when she giving me a blowjob and you're like, yo,
You just say that.
I don't know. dog.
No, how do you do that?
Me, I try my best not to judge you, know.
Yeah,
Well,
but you're making it very hard.
As in,
I
like,
tell myself I don't judge people, me I try not to judge you, but me just know my you know.
Alright, I had sex with one of my brother's friends and had an entanglement with him, and he's 5+ years older than me.
Example, Alchi. For example, you have a your
No,
no, I'm saying no.
let's not go there. We're not go there at all.
Me not really want to go to me
No, don't go there.
No, but that's not trying to understand the situation why the person can't. You don't know what to say.
Somebody else.
Okay, so me never.
You have a little sister.
Yeah, well, sister.
Yeah.
She's like 17.
And then she deal
She
with
never was.
me 5-year-old and she deal with somebody.
She never was.
One of my friends.
She and Masha do things. No, me that pre you.
It's my sister right there. So
Yeah,
I'm free, my sister.
But I think that be a protective person for your
Like you wanna be a
like a
uncle.
brother.
Especially for close. So that's what they try to understand the situation. You know?
Oh, them say they're not like close, but I mean still.
No,
still, but-
Yeah, you see, man, you have control, bro. You have control.
Imagine
Your
the
do's
sister-
and don'ts.
The little sister thing. As a virgin brother.
That's a virgin.
That's virgin brother.
Those are just unspoken codes. You know?
That's the bro code. Yeah.
But you all know the mess up thing is the girl confessing, you know.
Yeah, but that means that virgin they have secret him friend. 'Cause the girl I confess and not the virgin.
Yo, if you have a little sister, check on the virgin.
The virgin deal with the sister behind the
virgin back more than
that.
that.
It's you, man. You see that for free, my friend. I don't my friend again.
I had sex with my ex's girlfriend. So I'm assuming this is a girl.
Alright,
And she
so
did her
Oh,
the ex current girlfriend.
alright, so
y'all messed up, bro.
Alright. let's say I have a girl, Zima. My ex had sex with my girl.
That's what the confession.
That's the confession.
Man foot get broke by a girl.
By a girl. By his
By his
ex-girl.
girl.
I feel like your prayer just go down after that, bad man.
Bad man.
The dick wasn't enough, bad man. Like she
Imagine.
you have to switch sides, bro. Yo, that's
Your ex-girlfriend and your current girlfriend gay.
in a lesbian that I would feel so
I don't know what you're doing. For the past 3 months, I've been having threesomes with 2 boy best friends. Thing is, I like one of them more and not so much for the other one. The one I don't like, he introduced me to his friend and we started vibing. No, there's now a big problem because the one I like more is really cute and I can tell he likes me too. Now his friend realized what's happening and is now causing a lot of chaos between us. I don't know if I should tell the one that I like. The only reason we're having a threesome is because I wanted to have sex with him, which is the guy that she likes. But remember, say is the virgin introduced her to the guy that she likes. So him probably feel like away. First of all, you shouldn't do the threesome. The threesome is what messes it up. If you didn't like the next nigga,
Could I just say?
You
You could have just said and see where we go from there,
But then again, the next thing is, I don't understand why the guy ever feel that way because he's been engaging in that with his best friend and the girl.
Yeah.
Why know the man have? Why know they have a
You're setting up yourself.
because alright. I guess alright, please, it's like you have a girl, Zine, and you introduce her to me. Remember, says a girl where you can I guess you're 8 or whatever, right? She start like we're having a threesome or whatever. Yeah, we're basically
together at
right?
the same time.
But she start liking me more than you, or you kind of feel so she giving me.
Yeah, but eventually he's going to grow a little bit jealous. You know, if that's just your genre.
But if the man is interested from the jump,
yeah, she'll just say.
First and foremost, the guy him not jealous right now, you see? Because you say if he did rate that girl a certain way, me I tell you, he could reach that.
Exactly. Exactly.
facts. From a reach top
so the man kind of set up himself in a way.
That's what I said, you can't vex.
If you put yourself in that situation, there was something bound to happen. Some
feelings
that they engage.
You allowed that.
So you allow that to happen. If you really like her like that, even then.
True. Big brain.
Somebody just gets selfish. That's all.
Somebody want everything to themselves.
Guys are living this life, but
it can only go so far.
Exactly.
We're all humans,
if
bro.
the guy did rate the girl, a certain way, me I tell you,
Try
bro.
to get himself better, man.
I have been thinking about doing something so dangerous and stupid, but to be honest, it's the only way I'm going to be happy. Because to me, I don't see a next way out. And it just hurts because I know it's not the only way I was grown. I'm fighting it though. I kind of have an idea of what they're talking about. Right. Don't do it.
Don't.
The fact that you know it's stupid and dangerous, don't do it. You're going to regret it
Whereas
for
if
life.
something illegal and you get caught, you know?
Yeah.
Especially if you don't need to.
You don't need to do it, period. There's always an next
It's
way.
obviously a lose-lose. If you do it and you succeed, you're going to have that guilt.
Right.
Yeah, I tell you.
If you fail, you're going to be in prison. But
Or dead.
it's lose-lose, but man.
Yeah, med definition.
You
right? Yeah, med definition.
Yeah, you might say there's no way out, brother. There's always a way out.
Right now,
you just have to be looking at
your
this.
prefrontal cortex, up yourself.
Yeah.
It last develop in your brain, and it don't develop properly until in your late 20s. So that is why teenagers and young 20 people will do such reckless things, right? So may I tell you, right now, it seems like you want to do it, but when you reach later on in your years, trust me, you're gonna say you should.
Why?
You
shouldn't have done that. It's going to happen.
Don't do something where you might regret, bro.
Yeah, just don't do it.
I'm in love with my closest guy friend who I thought had feelings for me, but apparently he doesn't. However, he recently got into a relationship with someone I know and started treating like ass, right? Honestly, I feel away, but I haven't told anyone about it, and I've been acting like I'm good and everything, but sometimes it kinda hurts, and it's okay to be hurt. Don't feel like being hurt is something that's completely taboo. We all have feelings.
All part of the emotion.
You know what I'm saying? It's
All
a part
part
of
of
life.
being human.
You're a human.
Hey, girl, go
being.
fight for him, man, yeah.
No,
Fight for the man. Fight for the man. Fight for the man.
No, but did she confess her feelings to the guy?
That's what she's going to do. She's going to fight for the man now.
And then
Ruin the triangle. Smash the triangle.
Today is the theme. Shoot your shot.
Please.
Before it's too late. But you see, that's enough for you know. When you make a decision, cause suppose the man did actually like you. You make a decision in your head.
But he just
think he don't like you, right? But because you never
Exactly.
get the vibes from you like that.
Him just move on and go somewhere else.
So, man, I think it's fair for you, you know.
You can't pray.
Don't mash up the man thing, you know.
You know,
But then we say the heart wants what the heart wants. You get
What
me?
the heart wants it
Like
gets.
what she said, go fight for the man.
Go fight for the man.
Keep no fear, though.
Go fight for the man.
Nobody fight for the
Should miss a chance.
Should miss her first
Nobody fight for the man. Just
No,
confess your feelings.
Remember say I
If
our friend.
if it goes so, it goes so. If it no goes so,
say it's our
listen
friend.
me.
So she had to think about, remember say the person, but she had a mash up relationship,
Is
is her friend.
but she should probably hate her friend right now, brother, because I'm sure
Yeah.
she tell her friends that she like.
Yes, but guess what? I know theme fall. I know the fault.
Mark has been saying it. I know
It's not his fault. You
Defend
never,
the youths.
you
Defend-
never shoot your shot and the man gone. Him pack up him things.
Left.
I your fault.
Yo.
No, you say if him stop deal with you now after that, you have nobody to blame. So you have to decide whether you want a friendship or not. You know.
Yo, you
But
can't.
it's hard still.
The
It's
thing
hard to
is,
see
love
somebody else.
is more important than friendship right now.
Yeah, but it's hard to see the person you think you love. Can't be sure you don't know for sure.
True.
Right?
Definitely don't.
Move on with somebody else. I'm fine. But two things you can do. You can respect the man's boundaries.
Shit.
True.
Can you know? Which would be the higher road. Or you can go mash up friendship.
Mm-hmm.
But
For the man.
But remember, but what I say to you is, at the end of the day, whatever the outcome is, you only have yourself to blame. So you must live with that.
Yeah,
whatever
man.
happens, you live with it.
You should have shot
me
from
have to
before.
say,
You should have shot your shot.
You should have make him know.
You shouldn't.
Whether you go mash up friendship or not, whether you lose the virgin and the friend and a whole car, you can try mash up friendship and you
True.
just decide to know a deal and you lose. You lose.
Yo, you can't shoot your shot when you game though.
And you have to feel guilty too, brother.
That's the end of the video.
I have a few more, but
It's a lot.
it's a lot. Can we do
It's
a
a
part two? Never know. So let me know who you want to react to the rest of the confessions in the comment section down below. Let me know who you want to see me collab with. But I'll be going to Mobay this weekend. Saturday I'll be at Pier 1 in Montego Bay. So link me up. Merch will be on sale. Girl t-shirts, Sing Zima t-shirts, and the hoodies will be on sale. So if you're there, is it me? Make sure you come on. Roll up. Pier 1 Montego Bay. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that way you don't miss another banger video.
Banger video.
Banger video. And we'll see you guys next time. One because of the camera. Not him not covering the camera.
Come here.
Oh.
In a curfew, on Netflix. If me ever lonely, me call me side chick. She jump in a bed while me count up the bricks. 9x matic, extended clip. Pull up in a D, brand new Beamer. Dog them the ramp, to squeeze up the trigger. You don't know, we are roll with the team. Girl them a say, whoever dress need. From Ferragamo to the Gucci. She love you, but she wanna roll with a G.